That strum felt good.
What we do here is go back.
So with limes, you want to have them have a little bit of squeeze. You don't want them to be too firm. This is a good one. It's got a little bit of play to it. What's going on, pimps? It's your boy here. Today we're going to be doing something really special. We're going to be outside the kitchen today. I'm going to be grilling up some really bomb chicken naan tacos. I've got the chicken marinated. Oh, that almost got me right there. I've had the chicken marinating all day, so I'm really excited to get it on the grill. Let's get it started. I'm going to show you how to make corn the Bobby Flay way. So you're going to leave it in the husk and just throw it right on the grill, just like that. Alright guys, so we've got this chicken that's been marinating all day. What I did is I marinated it with full fat yogurt, Montreal steak seasoning, liquid smoke, chili powder, ground cinnamon, cumin, Worcestershire sauce, and then actually I put some chocolate in there. So let's go ahead and throw that right on the grill. Ooh, it smells good. What a view.
You have to really show the technique. Get in on this.
Are you teaching me how to cook?
Yeah.
Wow, on the grill with Meredith. Welcome to another exciting episode.
The world's greatest chef.
Looks like you're burning the corn.
No, I think just added flavor.
All right, pimps, so I just checked on our corn and it's ready to come off. So let's go ahead and pull that off. All right, guys, so now this can be pretty painful because this is gonna be very hot. You might wanna use a towel and open that up. And that's exactly what we're looking for. Look at the color, look at the steam. That's beautiful. Ooh, that's hot. Open this up. So you can use your resources, guys.
Do you have any corn puns?
I used to, but they were too corny, so I'm not gonna pull them out.
Oh god.
See, when you cook it in the husk, you maintain the sweetness, that natural sweetness of the corn. And it honestly doesn't need anything. It doesn't need salt or butter. It's perfect. Check it. Ready? Not even close.
Wow.
All right, guys, so update on our chicken. It is all done. We got a nice little char on there. It's completely cooked through, so let's put it over onto our cutting board. And it's important to let that sit. You don't want to cut into it right away, just let it kind of sit for a minute. You can even put something over it to maintain a little bit of that heat in there. A little bit for me. Oh, dude, that's good. So I've got some fresh mint here. I'm just gonna chiffonade them, just roll them up, take a knife and make some little curls like that. That's perfect. We're gonna take our chicken. Perfectly cooked, by the way. And we're gonna take our corn, throw that on there. Queso fresco. This is gonna add a really nice saltiness to the dish. Take our mint leaves. You don't want to take too much because mint's very strong. So just do a little sprinkle of the mint and lime. Hit it with a little bit of sriracha. Just a little bit because there's already some spice in the marinade. And that, my friends, is some chicken naan tacos. Such a good taco. I mean, the naan bread is nice and warm. The chicken's juicy, tender. You can really taste the cumin, the cinnamon. And it's just got a really bright, fresh taste. The corn is sweet and crunchy. And then that cheese is super salty. Just adds a nice seasoning to it. And then the mint's just that perfect little breath of fresh air right on top. So really good dish. Thanks for joining me outside the kitchen today. I appreciate you and looking forward to seeing you on the next one.